So as you've seen, we're back in the UK and it's been a case of travelling over because Terry's got some furniture here, and we're here at Retro Barn, which is a lovely little brocante in England. So we'll put a link in the description for you so you can have a look, because they've got some amazing, beautiful little pieces for the people that are in the UK and looking for something. And we found this beautiful mirror. Well, Terry found this beautiful mirror online, and as part of our travels back home, we've decided that we're going to come and collect this. And how beautiful is that? It's absolutely gorgeous. So it's going to be perfect. And it's another little collection to Terry's furniture. And we've still got lots to do while we're here in the UK. We're literally here for the day. We're about 24 hours and we've got to run around everywhere, then jump on a ferry and get back again. So I'm sure Terry's going to find some more interesting articles here because his eyes lit up when he walked in. So let's have a look around. And we're back with the amazing UFO 3 by Foreo Sweden. Now, who knew that this tiny device could do so much, and the amount of technology packed into this tiny little thing is out of this world. It's got 5 amazing clinically proven ways of reducing wrinkles and hydrating your skin. By using it for just 2 minutes, you've got 126% more moisture in your skin than just moisturising on normal masks alone. It's also got heating technology, cooling technology and cryo technology. It's got LED technology, and it's got a massage therapy as well with it. It is an unreal device. Tracy absolutely loves using this Foreo UFO 3. It is unreal, and you've all seen the difference and the results in her skin, her complexion. It's all been there on screen. And because we're such good partners with Foreo, they're offering you an amazing offer right now, which is 30% off. But for the first 50 people that use our code CHATDELA10, they'll get an extra 10% off. So genuinely, guys, it is really a product worth checking out. So go and check it out on their website. Everything that you do supporting them supports us as well. So it's absolutely amazing. Well, we're back in glorious France, and we've got all our bits, and we've got something else as well. A dirty dash hound! Patrick's just investigating before we unload the van and see all the goodies that we've brought back. So let's crack on.
Well, we're back with more tat.
It's not tat, that's for certain.
So we've got 2 dressers for each of the bedrooms in the 401. So we've got this one, which is sort of like a Louis XIV, Louis XV style, which is going to be perfect for the bedroom. And then we've got this one, which is more of like a writing desk, but we're going to use it as a dressing table because it's going to fit perfectly in the wood bedroom with the obviously trim on it and the size and the shape really, which is good. But the main thing that we went over for was the mirror.
Yeah.
And so we've been struggling to find a Regency style mirror for the wood bedroom, which has just been difficult, hasn't it?
I haven't seen this yet. I've seen a picture of it, but I'm dying to see it up close because the pictures don't do it justice, do they?
No. Needs a little bit of work, like everything I buy.
Yeah, well, yeah.
But even in this condition, trying to find a Regency mirror is just a nightmare. So
Be super delicate.
yeah,
So I won't touch it. This would have never survived transport from the UK to here.
No,
It
I wouldn't have even.
Oh, it's beautiful.
You want to have a look? You see it?
Look at that. Right, so there's a couple of bits there, isn't there?
Yeah, there's a couple of bits on the bottom that I need to do some work on.
Yeah.
And just like
Oh,
here.
maybe not much, is there? Not really,
it's
not
just
a lot.
all of the fretwork on it. But if you think, obviously, this is what I think it was 1800, was it? For Regency, so it's done well for its age.
Yeah.
And just all of the
The mirror's kept well, hasn't it?
yeah,
You know, there's a little bit of
age.
age on it, but you can still use it. It's good, it's lovely. So you're going to gold leaf all of it?
Yeah, so we'll have to gild it all
Not
again.
we, Terry. You. Don't
You
say
can
we when
try.
it comes to that.
Yeah, so I'll have to gild it again, and get all of the bits on it. But
When you want to keep the edge to it, like, or
I don't think it's
not?
going to be like shiny enough.
No, I suppose not. See,
Oh,
when
no.
you showed me the picture, I thought this was all like a green colour.
It's just
It's the mug.
age. Yeah,
Yeah, I love it.
it's just all tarnished.
It's lovely.
So
Yeah.
that's the main thing that we went back for, which
Yeah.
is amazing. 2 dressing tables. We managed to get a fire fender that matches our companion set.
Mm-hmm.
We picked up a nice little lamp, which
As you do.
we don't know where we're going to put that. It was just quite decorative. And the other thing that we went back for is boxes and boxes and boxes of decals, would you bend trim, that are going to be finishing off the wood bedroom and the blue bedroom.
Yeah, so this is the final thing, what you've been waiting for, isn't it, to get this done?
to finish
so,
them.
Yeah.
But one of the last thing that we got was a rug for the red bedroom. So we'll get that upstairs now and see actually if it fits.
Fits and what it looks like.
Yeah, and then we can take the mirror up and show you that as well. So
It's in there.
come on then.
Yeah. Well, hopefully you might get past the scaffolding, Terry. I might have to move the scaffolding.
Should be all right.
Can you get past?
Oh yeah, I'll have to go in the bathroom anyway because I don't think we'll go around.
That's it. Might have to take the door out.
I thought you were going to say take the door off then. I thought, God. Hey, sausage.
Yeah, help it. You're going the wrong way. Oh, it's lovely.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's disty. Oh, yeah. It's lovely.
Perfect for this
Yeah.
room.
Just fits.
Mm-hmm.
There isn't even anything to do to it, does it?
No, be perfect here.
Yeah. Imagine sitting there doing your hair. It's lovely.
Perfect.
Yep.
What do you think at an angle?
I was just thinking that myself.
With it being curved?
Yeah. Because you're not putting anything else there, are you?
No.
That might be better.
It's not wasted space down the back there, isn't it?
Well, you're not going to do much else with it anyway.
No.
You're better off seeing when the room's dressed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Have a look then. I quite like it like that.
Yeah.
Because if you sat here, you can still look out the window.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah.
see once we get everything else in the room. I'm not sure
It's
about
too
that.
big that
Yeah,
way.
it's a bit big.
It's a bit.
No, I think an angle looked better.
Yeah.
Even just a slight angle, that might be better, yeah.
Yeah.
Just a slight one. But once we get everything else in, you'll see how it
Yeah.
fits
We can see how
better.
it goes.
I think having it slightly at an angle, so if you're sat, you can still
Look out the
see
window.
out the window, which is the most important thing.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Good, good. So that's all of the bits sorted. Obviously, we wanted to bring this up. I'd measured it. And I measured the rug, which I don't normally do. And luckily they both fit. And I think they're both perfect for the room.
Lovely. It's just starting to come together now, how you're picturing it, what it
Picture it.
wants to be like.
yeah, obviously they're not going to be staying in the room. We've still got so much work to do. It's just, we wanted to make sure that the rug actually worked for the room, because we didn't have to go with a lighter one or a darker one. And I think this is perfect.
I think it's lovely. It's going to be so, you're not going to want to get out of bed, are you?
It's going to be nice and warm and rich.
Yeah.
So that's all our little trip to the UK. It was a quick dash. We were only there for the day and scoured the whole of the UK to get all of these bits. And it's perfect to get it all sorted. So hope you've enjoyed today's episode. Obviously it's been a bit different, obviously travelling and shopping.
Picking things up, which is always good.
Yeah.
A different version of Brockhampton.
Yeah, a UK version.
Yeah.
Yeah, hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it massively helps us. And we'll see you in the next one where we'll be back to work.
More gold leaf.
I might put that on hold for now. We'll see you soon.
Okay, bye.
Bye. If you'd like to be part of our journey and help restore the chateau, then please join us on Patreon, where you'll be part of our journey, receive a piece of the history, and get exclusive videos.